Okay, so we are officially at war. Good morning and welcome back to One Step at a Time Farmstead. For the past month or so, I noticed, a small amount of aphids on my one eggplant, and the other eggplant was overrun by spider mites. And I've treated them as I saw them, but the past week, when basically the whole house came down with a bit of flu again, I obviously didn't give much attention to it. I was sick in bed as well. And yesterday I noticed that the plant is actually being overrun with the black aphids. And I just quickly want to today make some horticultural oil to treat my plant that will kill off all the aphids, hopefully, and I can treat that and it's non-toxic or anything like that. It's basically the oil covers all the breathing organs of the aphids and basically smothers them to death. It will also kill off any eggs that might be on the plant. But other than that, there's no toxins or anything like that in there. So I'll treat it and hopefully see that my plant recovers back to health. And it's a very simple recipe. Basically what you need is normal vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of oil per liter of spray that you will make, and that's about 2 tablespoons per quart of a gallon, I believe. With that, then 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid, and optional extra is a teaspoon of bicarb or baking soda. And just put it in a spray bottle. Okay, this spray bottle is what we kept from the 2020 pandemic, but it was sanitizer and it's been thoroughly cleaned, and we basically just kept that. There's no sanitizer in here anymore, so we just kept that as a bottle to use as a spray bottle. Okay, and then obviously water is your last ingredient. So what we are going to do, I'm just I'm just making half a liter, 500 mils. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon measure of oil. One tablespoon of oil. Okay, and then half a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Okay, this is half a teaspoon measure, so I'm just going to use 3 of these, or 7.5 milliliters. Okay, for this I'm just going to use like half a teaspoon of bicarb Just going to add a little bit of water just to mix this all up.
Oh, dit is so cool. Maar die olie is want jy jou seep en gesink het nie. Dit is al level gebly.
Yeah, the soap is basically used as an emulsifier to keep the oil in suspension. Otherwise the oil will just float on top of the water. See, now the oil is basically mixing with the water. Otherwise the oil will float on top. Add this to our spray bottle, and then we just fill our spray bottle with the rest of the water.
It looks cool actually.
Some foam. Oh, will you bring me a cloth, please, Lucian?
Our family is a little bit sick this week.
Yeah. Lucian's got a bit of flu. And it's their holiday and it's just after his birthday. So the last thing he wants to do is be sick now, but life is life.
Yes.
I don't know how full it is out there. It's full. Close the bottle and we just shake it up. And it's as simple as that. Then we can now just Lucian, will you put the book back in its place here in the book rack? Okay, so what we do now is just to spray the leaves both at the top and at the bottom, especially where you see, well, I'm going to cover everything, but especially where you see the aphids.
But there's an ant.
Yeah, the ants are here because they take the mildew from the aphids and they drink that, so they actually work like shepherds for the aphids, carry them around the healthier leaves and spread them around, and to say thank you, the aphids give them the mildew to drink, which is basically the urine. While I'm here, I'm gonna take out these weeds.
And it is not hurting the plant, it's just...
Yeah, it's not hurting the plant and it won't hurt other insects as well. It's not a poison, but this will cover all the breathing organs of the aphids and spider mites, and they will smother to death basically. I can't believe in a week this plant is so heavily overrun with aphids, but I should have done this a while ago already when I wouldn't sit with this problem.
I'm just looking a little bit out of the sun.
Now it's nice and warm today now that the wind isn't blowing as much as yesterday, no?
Yes.
Yesterday was quite windy.
Yes, but if I'm too long in the sun with my head, then I'm feeling dirty.
Yeah.
No, what is nose?
Nauseated.
Like I feel a little bit nauseated if I'm too long. I will wipe it down while you spray. Oh, it's cold. Why should you forget underneath the drops?
Remove that leaf. Maybe that one.
Ja, dit doe je. Hierdie is op die vloer. Is op de grond.
Ja.
Dan komen die. I think you have to tell all your facts. What is cheese called when it's not yours? Nacho cheese.
So we'll keep an eye on those plants for the next 24 hours and see, whether those aphids die off. But I do hope that you guys found this video useful and informative, and basically just an easy recipe to create a non-toxic pesticide to control aphids and other sap-eating insects that attack your plants, to keep them at bay. And I'll just share the success with you in an upcoming video. Also, I would just like to take this opportunity to update you on our 12-week challenge or 12-week goal that we set for ourselves, and that is to grow our channel and hopefully to hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. It's not been 4 weeks yet. I think we are in the 3rd week now. It started on the 22nd, I believe. I'll just make sure. In this short while, we have gained 7 more subscribers, and I just want to thank each one of you. Unfortunately, not everyone did comment in the comment section, although 2 did, and I just want to thank them personally and just give you a shout out of gratitude. And the first one is Alia_LaughCats7, and she commented on 2 of our videos, and we appreciate it so much. And the next viewer is user CY8 JN30Q7N. Unfortunately, I couldn't get your personalized, well, your personal name, or let's say I won't know how to pronounce your name, so I went by your user handle. But I also just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support. Sorry, the dog just kicked the stand. And we appreciate your interest in our videos. I followed you back on YouTube and subscribe to your channel as well. So this is just to let you know. And yeah, thank you so much for your support, and we appreciate you. Yeah, basically that brings us to the end of this video. If you view our content and follow it, please subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell, then you will get updates on all our videos as we launch them onto the platform. And that way you can follow on this journey with us. Please, if you enjoy the content, like and share, help us grow our channel. And you can do that by just sharing with your friends and families, subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, and by doing that you will also help us to push the videos out to a bigger audience out on YouTube. And yeah, we really thank you for your kindness. We love you and we appreciate you. God bless you. Be good. And just pray. I think Lucian, at this moment, Lucian is taking the flu the worst. He's suffering the worst at this moment of this onslaught of flu running through the house. And secondly is my daughter Michaela. Yeah, I think over the worst, and Daniel has been left untouched. So thank God for that. But yeah, hopefully very soon we'll be back up to speed and yeah, go about our business as normal. Thank you. Be good.